When finding an appropriate location for your Syclone Amalgam Separator, consider that amalgam separators are generally installed close to the vacuum pump. The Syclone system should be installed so that the outlet is at least 4 to 6 inches higher than the vacuum inlet. Before you begin, ensure that the vacuum is turned off. Unpack the Syclone Amalgam Separator and check that all components are present. For your convenience, the Syclone Installation and Operating Guide lists the contents that you should have in the package. For future reference, it is recommended that you note down the serial number of your Syclone system. This can be found on the side of the top chamber. While floor mounting is also an option, wall mounting of the Syclone system near the vacuum pump is the most common method of installation. The mounting bracket must be properly secured because the system can become quite heavy, especially when in function. Check for studs and mark the areas for placement. Mounting the system directly to drywall is not recommended. If a stud is not available, wall anchors, plastic standoffs, or similar fittings should be used. The mounting bracket is ready to use. No additional preparation is needed. Proper alignment of the mounting bracket ensures optimal function of the Syclone Amalgam Separator, so it's important to confirm that the installation is level. To facilitate alignment, you can first attach one of the top corners of the mounting bracket to the wall. Use a level to confirm alignment. Then, using the mounting bracket as a guide, mark the pilot holes. Next, drill the pilot holes and install the wall anchors as necessary. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using appropriate screws secured into the wall anchors or stud. Depending on the plumbing setup, the Syclone Amalgam Separator can be installed either left or right facing. Choose the configuration that best suits the situation and seat the prongs of the top chamber into the corresponding slots on the mounting bracket. Ensure that all top and bottom fittings are fully seated. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the screws and washers provided until the bottom prongs of the top chamber is snug. The outlet from the operatories should be installed to the top inlet of the Syclone Amalgam Separator. Consider measuring the piping for a more accurate cut. Use one of the 2 couplings provided and tighten down the fittings as needed. Install adapters and additional pipe as necessary. Connect the system to the vacuum via the system outlet on the bottom using the other coupling provided. Be sure to tighten all connections to prevent leaking. Depending on the configuration of the pipe, you may need to get PVC adapters to connect the plumbing to the system. Align the canister to the top chamber of the Syclone Amalgam Separator and push up. The retaining pins provided should be used to secure the canister. For future reference, it is recommended that you note the serial number, which can be found on the side of the canister. Turn on the vacuum and let the water run through the Syclone Amalgam Separator. Check to ensure no leaks are present. Write the installation date directly on the canister label and make a note of the maximum change date of 12 months out. Depending on the volume of activity, the unit may become full and require a changeout before the 12-month time frame. For warranty and reminders related to your Syclone Amalgam Separator, complete the online registration form. Please have the serial numbers of both the system and the canister when you register. The installation guide contains a visual inspection log. It is recommended that the log be attached to the system and updated weekly. For additional information, please visit crosstex.com/Syclone.